Okay guys, today I'm talking about the TabBar. So how to create a bar and use it. Like there is EC, there is a TabBar, it's a bar, and now there is three different op option. All mention details, and three are different pages. So how to do it? Here you can see I art a diagram. Just you can see there is a material app. Material app has the home, which is scaffold mainly, but scaffold I have to wrap with the default app controller, and then default controller, then the app bar, and app bar has a bottom. The bottom is the all mentioned details. It is the bottom, and now go to tabs and tabs label, and then this is the body, then what the page will show you. They haven't done nothing, just create an app with this title and nothing. So first of all, you have to create wrap the scaffold with default tab controller. Okay, this has some required argument, which is length. So what is the length? Length is this 1 2 3. All mention details. I have 3 length, so I put here 3. So you can write here 2 for any other length you want. So go to the so our first task is done. Now I have to use a argument for this app bar. Is bottom. What is the bottom side? Bottom side is this, the bottom of this app bar. So this is the app bar's bottom. Okay, so bottom has tab bar. Okay, so tab bar has a requirement item is tabs. So basically I have to decorate it like label color. Label color is the label here, all mention to colors dot black. So label style, I have to use label style. So label style is the text style, the font size, font weight, etc. Text style, like font size is 25. Okay, so now comes for the tabs. So tabs is a list, required a list. So create a list. Now what we put on this list, so I in that tabs folder I have to write the title of this tabs. So here you can see in the tab bar, like tab which has text. So basically all, then I have 3 lengths, so make it 3. This is like 3. Okay, so what I have, all mention detail. Okay, so mentioned detail. Okay, so I have 3 different tips. So let's run this. See, I have 3 different tab. So text size is little bit bigger. Okay, mention is black, and the text is not good, so font weight okay, 20. So our 3 tabs is done. So what we is doing now is how to display what will in this tabs. So the scaffold. Okay, scaffold has a body. So body, here is the last part, this TabBar view. So TabBar view, and so TabBar view is like children. So children has the property you want to show, like center child text. Our first tab is all, so let's write is all, make it bigger, 50. Okay, and then mentioned like detail. Okay, let's run this. So our tabbar is done. So what do you want? If you want to anything, you can display here anything. So this is kind of a new page. Mention details. So we are done here to the app bar, and if you swap it, it will also go to the next tab bar, and if you click there, it's also. Thank you all.